For this lesson, we're going to look at opening and editing documents in the online web app or the desktop application. So we'll start with the online web app. Within SharePoint, we have online web apps for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. The purpose of the web app is so that we can view our documents while staying in the internet browser. The purpose of this is so that no matter what device I'm working on, no matter where I am in the world, I can always access my documentation as long as I have an internet connection. So let's see what they look like. If I click once to open my document, it always opens in read-only mode in the online web app. To return to my document library, I just click the back button. So remember, it's important to click the back button because it's very easy to click the X, which will in fact close my internet browser window. Or if I click the X in the top right corner, I'm going to close down my internet browser completely. So if this is new to you, this is a new habit. Once you've opened the document, you click back to return to your document library. So now I want to edit my document. So I'll first of all edit in the online web app. So click once to open. And like I said before, it always opens in read-only mode. To edit the document, go and click the Edit Document button. And you'll notice you have options either to edit in the full desktop application or the browser. So this time I'm going to click the browser. And this launches Word Online. So remember, this is like a watered down version of the full desktop application. Not all features will be available in here. So if you need to do things like mail merging or cross-referencing or any of those advanced Word features, you will need to launch the full desktop application. And you can always launch it from within the web app. You'll notice there's an option here to edit in Word. So let's make some changes. So I've made a small change there. You'll notice that there's no save button. So all I need to do now is just click the back button. That takes me back to my document library and it saves my changes. So all changes are auto-saved in the online web app. And just to prove that that change was saved, I'll just reopen. And you can see my change was saved. So this time I'll make an update through the desktop application. So I'll click to open. And this time I'll select the option to edit in Word. So notice now that I'm in Microsoft Word, there's one subtle difference. If you look to the top left-hand corner on the Save button, you can see the refresh symbol. So that tells me that this document has been opened from a SharePoint document library. So I'll just make a small change. So just watch the status bar down here when I press my Save button. And you'll see that the changes are being uploaded to SharePoint. So now I can just click to close, which takes me back to my browser. I use my back button then to return to the document library. And just to prove that my changes have been saved, I'll reopen. And you can see that the date has been changed.